Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that caught our eye, the SIQUK Dice Storage Case, a large capacity organizer box designed for all your gaming needs. We found this product online, and you'll find the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The SIQUK Dice Storage Case is a thoughtfully designed storage solution that caters specifically to board game enthusiasts, tabletop gamers, and Dungeons & Dragons aficionados. It features a big capacity, allowing you to store a generous amount of dice and gaming accessories in one convenient location. One of the standout features of this case is its double removable slotted tray. This means you can easily organize your dice by color, size, or game type, making it simple to find exactly what you need during your game sessions. The slotted design helps prevent your dice from rolling around and getting lost, which is a common issue for many gamers. Plus, the tray is removable, so if you need more space or want to take just a few essentials on the go, you can do so with ease. Another notable aspect of the SIQUK Dice Storage Case is the sturdy handle. This feature makes it super convenient to transport your dice collection to game nights, conventions, or friends' houses. You won't have to worry about carrying multiple bags or finding a safe way to transport all your precious gaming accessories. Everything fits neatly and securely in this stylish case. This storage case is suitable for a wide range of gamers, from casual players to serious collectors. Whether you're into tabletop RPGs, board games, or even miniature gaming, this organizer can accommodate your needs. It's also a great gift idea for friends who are just starting their gaming journey or for seasoned players looking to upgrade their storage situation. Practical use cases for the SIQUK Dice Storage Case are plenty. Imagine heading to a game night. You can easily grab your case, knowing that all your dice are organized and ready to go. If you attend conventions, this case is perfect for showcasing your unique collection while keeping everything safe from damage. And for those who enjoy crafting their own custom dice, this organizer provides the perfect space to store your creations. In summary, the SIQUK Dice Storage Case is an excellent investment for anyone who values organization and accessibility in their gaming accessories. With its large capacity, removable trays, and convenient handle, it makes managing your dice collection a breeze. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.